It's me, Miss Miguel, your PE teacher.
Your physical education teacher, PE teacher, physical teacher. PE. PE.
Let's start by warming up to prevent injuries, and because we cannot stretch cold muscles, we will not!
And we can't stretch cold muscles.
Here we go. We're jogging. We're jogging. We're on the road. We're jogging. We're not really on the road though. Here we go. We're jogging. We're jogging. We're gonna do a jog, and then we're gonna do oblique reaches here and here. So we're gonna do here, 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 here. Reach, 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 and jogging. Good. We're gonna do one more set of oblique reaches to finish up our warm-up. So keep jogging in place about 6 more seconds. And then 10 seconds of oblique reach. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to get your feet into it, you can. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Finished. Warm up. Check. We're gonna get our stretches on. Let's do one arm big circle. We're going backwards. Nice. I like to put my hand here because I love feeling my arm rotate in my shoulder. I feel like where my shoulder joint is, where my arm meets my shoulder, I like that feeling. And forward, feels really cool to feel it, my arm functioning like that. And we're gonna switch sides. We're gonna start with backwards. Ooh, got a little pop going. And forwards. Nice. Quad stretch, you're gonna pull one foot behind you and lean back. It's the same as our standing quad stretch, except for we're using the ground to help us pull our body backwards. Switch. You can lean back as far as your body will let you. If it starts to hurt really bad, you're probably leaning back way too far. Back and neck stretch. One hand is on the ground and one is facing the ceiling or the sky, and you're looking up. And switch. Switch your feet. Switch which hand is touching the ground. And we're pointing up and we're looking up. And shoulder twist. So we're gonna go here and we're just gonna twist a couple more times. Let your body completely twist. Leg swings. You're gonna swing you're gonna swing one leg as far as you can forwards and backwards. Make sure you have space for this one. If you need to pause the video to find space to do this, you can do that right now. I'm gonna switch. Another leg swing. I need to turn this way so I don't kick the wall. I'm gonna swing my leg. Now I'm gonna stretch my chest using the wall. We've done this one before. We put our arm on the wall and then we twist our body away from our arm. Now we're gonna switch. Arm is on the wall and then twist our body. Today we will continue to explore our quad muscles, do a new ab workout.
Eat a giant lemon.
Ooh, no. Do push-ups, bake a birthday cake using dog food. No way. Do curl-ups, do trunk lifts and record our BPM, our beats per minute, our heart rate. Quads, let's snap it. Quads, let's snap it again. Quads. This is how quads is spelled. This is how it sounds, but this is how it's spelled.
The quad muscle was found over 10 billion bajillion familion jillion years ago in a land called... The land is called Quad. The land is called Quadkinsaw. That's where they are.
Say quads twice in slow motion.
Quads. Quads.
Say quads 4 times and slap them when you say them. Ready? Quads, 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 quads. Let's check out our new ab workout for today. These are my ab muscles. That's where yours are too. We're on the ground again, just like we were yesterday. We're gonna be on the ground tomorrow and on the ground Thursday. So we're gonna lay flat. We're gonna bring up our feet and reach to our toes and come back down. Follow me.
Biceps, triceps, hamstrings, quads, abs and obliques aren't too far. Latissimus dorsi, also called lats, deltoids, pectorals, and my calves. These are the muscles in my body parts, my trunk, my legs, and my arm.
Next up, push-ups. First, bend your knees and squat down. Crawl forward and get on your tiptoes. Remember, no booty mountain and no booty valley. Now let's talk about tus manos, your hands.
They need to be pointed forwards. They cannot be turned inwards. And they cannot be turned outwards. They must be turned forwards.
And we can't forget our elbows 90-degree angle. When you go down to touch your chest to the box, try to get your elbow as close to a 90-degree angle as possible. If you are still having difficulty with push-ups, you can change over to modified push-ups. Modified push-ups are a way to train for push-ups by taking some of the weight off of your upper body. The difference between modified push-ups and push-ups is that your knees are touching the ground. Okay, exercisers, it's goal time again. What is your push-up goal for today? Are you going to try to do 2, 4? Are you going to try to go all the way to 10? Whatever your goal is, make sure it's either the same as yesterday or at least one more.
We'll now begin the push-up section. Ready? Begin. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up, 5, down, up, 6, down, up, 7, down, up, 8, down, up, 9, down, up, 10.
What is your curl-up goal, exercisers? Is it 1? Is it 6? Or maybe you're trying to go all the way to 12 today. Make sure your goal today is either the same as yesterday or one more than yesterday at the very least. If you do need someone to hold your feet down, that's okay if your curl-ups are looking like this. Remember, feet flat, hands flat, knees to the sky. Make sure your hands are sliding forward across the ground with each curl up. If you need someone to hold your feet, here are a few different ways they can do that. And if there's no one available to help you, remember you can always put something heavy on your feet or put your feet underneath a chair or couch.
We'll begin the curl-ups now. Ready? Begin. Up, down, 1, up, down, 2, up, down, 3, up, down, 4, up, down, 5, up, down, 6, up, down, 7, up, down, 8, up, down, 9, up, down, 10, up, down, 11, up, down, 12.
And now we're moving on to trunk lifts. You're going to lay down on your stomach. You're going to make sure your palms are facing up. And you're going to lift up, bringing your chin up as far as you can. Let's do 5 trunk lifts together. Up. 1. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. Say quads as fast as you can.
3 times. Quads, quads, quads.
Oh, you want to go again? Let's do it.
Quads, quads, quads.
It's me, BPM girl! And you know what that means?
10 beat 6, 10 beat 10 beat 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6, 10 beat 10 beat 10 beat 6, 10 beats times 6.
That's right. It's time for 10 beat 6. We're going to find our heart rate right now using BPM, using me, BPM girl. Find your pulse.
Here we go. I'm going to find my pulse. Ew. Seems I have the wrong place. Excuse me. Oh, my bad. It's cool. It's all cool. It's here. I knew that.
Just little, simple. Anyways, 10 seconds. We're going to count how many beats we get in 10 seconds. Ready? Go. Stop. And here is our 10 beat 6 board.
Party people.
10 stands for seconds. Beat counts for how many beats we had, and I just had 13 beats. That's how many I counted in this set of 10 seconds. 6 is for 6 groups of 10 seconds that equal 1 minute, because we're doing beats per minute to find our heart rate, okay? So our BPM, our heart rate, is going to be 13 times 6. So 6 times 3 is 18. I carry the 1. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So my BPM is 78. Rock on. What's your BPM? How about you? Nice. You? Oh, same as me? Cool. Is this my quad muscle? That's my hamstring. Are these my quad muscles? Those are my deltoids. Are these my quads? These are my quads. Just like we need to warm up our engines, we need to cool them down to prevent injury. So we're going to take our deep breaths again. We're going to take a deep breath and let our neck hang to the side. We're going to start with our head to one of our sides, and we're going to take a deep breath and breathe in through our nose. And our head's going to be straight up, and breathe out. Drop your head as far as you can to the side. In, straight up, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Question. Which circle is around Miss Miguel's quad muscles? Green, purple, or orange? The correct answer is purple.